The formation of Frontier Alliance Party is a dream come true. For a very long time, I've been amazed by the opportunities, of course, realizing the challenges among the pastoral communities, particularly in the areas of conflict, drought, lack of market access, poor infrastructure, has been bothering me for a very long time. And we realized that politics holds key to economic prosperity. Good politics leads to, better lives and dignity for the people. And I realized the most important way of advancing, particularly now the multi-party gives us an opportunity, the new constitution gives us an opportunity. We have always wanted to form a political party that has some inclination towards the pastoral economy, the pastoralists, and uplifting the lives and the welfare of the people living among those areas, harnessing the tremendous potential for resource endowment, particularly the natural resource, minerals, gas, petrol, name them. And also the huge livestock, which currently unfortunately does not translate in the money economy among the pastoralists. So this has actually been the drive that motivated me to look for a party that can advance the cause and the aspirations of the pastoral community. And that's why Frontier Party was born. The only unfortunate thing is that the party was just registered, maybe 2 months now, slightly over a month. And it has come at a time when we are very close to general election, but we were not able to organize the structure and mold it into the kind of sell it across the country, every county, every constituency. That will really, that is a dream. I'm sure we've started. Within the very short time of its existence, the support and the interest in the political party is overwhelming, particularly among the pastoral communities, the counties of Kajiado, Narok, Samburu, Isiolo, Mandera, Garissa, all this. So the support is already overwhelming, and I'm sure in the course of time we are going to devote more time and devise a better strategy, reach all these counties, sell the party policies, and I'm sure, I have no doubt in my mind that it is the party of the future. It is a party that where many communities and individuals will find it resonates very well with their thinking. The counties generally, as you can see, most counties, particularly the agricultural potential areas, they're exhausted. Resource-wise, they are quite exhausted. And the virgin areas, the frontier areas now people are fighting for space, for mining, for investment at all levels. That's why we want to be associated with this and ensure that we grow the pastoral economy. I want to assure the people that I have led so far and the people I intend to lead until the end of my constitutional term that together we've done our best, together we made a difference. We've carried everyone, every community, the minorities, the diverse setup within our county. And I'm very proud that I made everybody part and parcel of the government that I ran, left everybody happier than they have been in the past, made them more, well protected, made them integral part of the management of the system, that I lead. It fulfills me, and I want to assure them that the past, 4 years that I've been at the helm of the county government is just the only bit, it's just a preview of what we intend to do. We want to move full throttle and ensure that we realize the dreams of the people. We want to realize the dreams of the pastoral communities. We want to anchor and safeguard, the future of our children and ensure that there is prosperity and better lives and livelihood for the people I lead. This will be my target, and I'm confident that together we can do a big difference together we can cultivate an atmosphere of peace, stability, and prosperity for our people, for the future generations to come. So that when people now look back in history, that here we were then and took our county from a scene that nobody wants to remember to a county that will pride among the very many counties. Already we've done it, and I'm confident that the future can only get better, can only get brighter, can only be a place that each and everybody, whether within the county and outside, would feel privileged to associate with. That's the dream we want to advance. And I appeal to the people of this county to give us another opportunity, to realize their dreams, and to ensure that the atmosphere of peace and stability and harmony we've created over the time remains intact. It will not be corrupted, it will not be, disturbed by other agencies whom we're sure that they want to run on a platform of hate, on a platform of division, on a platform divisive ethnicity. This is what we want to avoid, and the opportunity is to continue supporting us, so that in the next remaining 5 years, we put systems in place that the problems that can never recur, because we've anchored and sustained the gains that we've made in devolution, the gains that we've made in cultivating that social cohesiveness and harmony among the very many communities of this county.